Heating your floor just got easier. Introducing DITRA-HEAT Peel and Stick and DITRA-HEAT-DUO-PS and Stick, a faster way to install underfloor heating membrane. Thanks to the pressure-sensitive adhesive, no tile adhesive is required, meaning fewer tools and less mess. Available in both rolls and sheets, the membrane can be easily repositioned. The peel and stick membranes offer the same 5 functions as our original DITRA-HEAT, so you're still getting uncoupling, crack bridging, waterproofing, vapor management, and load distribution. DITRA-HEAT-DUO-PS also offers impact sound reduction and an integrated thermal break. DITRA-HEAT-PS and DITRA-HEAT-DUO-PS. Easy peel and stick underfloor heating.